Here's how to change your name on Facebook quickly and easily. First, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon. Now, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. At the top, tap Account Center. This is where Facebook manages your account details and profile settings. Next, tap Profiles and choose the Facebook profile you want to edit. Now tap Name. Here you can enter your new first name, middle name, or last name. After entering the changes, tap Review Change and choose how your updated name will appear on Facebook. Then enter your Facebook password and confirm the change. Keep in mind that Facebook usually does not allow another name change for 60 days after updating it. If you can't change your name, make sure it follows Facebook's naming rules and uses your real identity. After doing these steps, your Facebook profile name should update successfully. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook and social media tutorials.